equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Today, we are diving into the Medion X7841, a laptop that many users have reported issues with. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any screws. Start by removing the back panel. There are typically 6 screws holding it in place. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully unscrew them. Keep these screws in a safe place, as they can be quite small and easy to misplace. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be cautious not to damage any clips while doing this. Now that we have access to the internals, take a moment to inspect the components. Look for any signs of damage, such as burnt circuits or swollen batteries. If you notice anything unusual, it might be a sign that the laptop is beyond repair. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help. Next, let's clean the internal components. Use a soft brush and some isopropyl alcohol to gently clean the motherboard and other parts. Dust accumulation can lead to overheating and performance issues, so this step is crucial. Make sure to let everything dry completely before reassembling. After cleaning, check the RAM and hard drive connections. Sometimes, reseating these components can resolve issues. Remove the RAM sticks by pushing the clips on either side, then reinsert them firmly. For the hard drive, ensure it's securely connected to the motherboard. If you're unsure about any of these steps, don't hesitate to reach out for our professional diagnosis without obligation. Once you've checked all connections, it's time to reassemble the laptop. Carefully place the back cover on and screw it back in place. Ensure that all screws are tightened properly to avoid any rattling or further damage. If, after all these steps, your Medion X7841 still isn't functioning, it may be time to consider a replacement. Remember, we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. No calls, no travel, just a simple, straightforward process to get your device sorted. In conclusion, while the Medion X7841 can present challenges, following these steps can help you determine its fate. If you need assistance, don't hesitate to contact us for a hassle-free experience. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.